All right, looks like we got this statement necklace again. Statement lots of things actually. We got the red gloves and earrings worn as epaulets. So that'll be an interesting one. Also, I don't know why this free t-shirt made it into my wardrobe app in the first place, but I'm glad Jaime found it inspiring. Well, here we are. I wasn't sure how to interpret the whole earrings as epaulets thing. I did try just attaching the earrings to my shirt, and I felt like that didn't really capture the essence of Jaime's vision. So now I'm just wearing the earrings as earrings, and I found these epaulets. It's like so casual, yet so fancy. And can I just rave about these jeggings for a moment? I realized jeggings were an abomination even for the 5 seconds that they were in style, but these have real pockets in the front, real pockets in the back that go all the way down. They have rivets, they have belt loops, they have a functional button and zipper, they have the fifth pocket. This is more than I can say for some of my regular pants. So I don't really wear these anymore, but I've hung on to these jeggings for over a decade because I respect them. We will know women have truly achieved equality when we have pockets in our pants, and not a moment sooner. Okay, end rant. Anyway, back to the outfit. There's a lot going on here. I'm not even sure what direction I'm gonna take this, so let's see what I come up with. Alright, I'm back, and here's my version of the outfit. I did keep the epaulets, although I put them on this jean jacket instead of on a t-shirt because I thought that made more sense. It was kind of a bold choice because this jacket already has a puff sleeve, so there's just a lot of emphasis on the shoulder now, but I think it looks better. And I did switch out this free 5K t-shirt for a different graphic tee. And as much as I love a good maximalist outfit, I felt like the epaulets with that statement necklace were kind of a lot, and so I'm sticking to the one statement piece per outfit rule and just got rid of the necklace completely. Didn't really replace it with anything. Um, I did put on these red sparkly earrings, so can't really see them anyway since my hair's down, but I also put on these kind of rainbow socks just as a nod to the colors in the necklace. Sometimes you can just keep it to yourself. And then changed out the jeggings for these just standard black jeans. And I wasn't sure why we were doing gloves with sandals. I don't know what weather that's for, so I thought it looked better with boots anyway, so I did boots instead of sandals. And then changed the red glove for a black glove and incorporated the red in this clutch. So this is my look. I would wear this to maybe an event where no one knows me and I can just pretend that this is my regular look. Because honestly, this doesn't really feel like me. And this is kind of a close one this time because these things are just so silly. And at least Jaime took the ridiculosity and ran with it, whereas I just kind of look pathetic, like I'm taking myself way too seriously. I don't know. I don't love it. I think I'm going to reluctantly declare regular me the winner, but I don't think Jaime did that much worse, really. So let me know in the comments who you think is the winner and where would you wear this, or would you even wear this? And thanks for watching.